What's good, my family? What is good, my family? Been about 3 weeks since I seen everyone. I'm back though, baby. I am back. I had a little personal issues to take care of. I got that all out the way. So I'm back dropping some bomb, delicious recipes. Today's menu, we making some delicious stuffed bell peppers. Oh yeah, stuffed bell peppers, baby. Coming up. Let's get to it. It's good to see everybody. I'm back, baby. I'm back. Let's get to it. So we got us 2 pots of boiling water, one for the rice, cook as instructed on the package. One big one, we're gonna blanch our bell peppers, preheat our oven to 425 degrees. All right, in our big pot of boiling water, we're gonna sprinkle about a tablespoon of salt. Let's go ahead and hollow out our bell peppers. You're gonna cut the top off just like that. Pull the insides out. Set that to the side. Make sure you save your bell pepper tops because we're gonna chop those up and put them in our mix. Get you a spoon and just dig out the excess in your bell peppers, as you can see here. Get all that out. You want it all smooth on the inside. So get the little membranes, veins, whatever you want to call them. Get those out of there. It should look smooth and hollowed out just like this right here. Yeah. So we're gonna do the rest of them. There you go. There you go. Okay, now let's cut our onion up. Let's get it peeled. We're gonna dice it. So let's get it diced up. How big as sizes you want it. It's your world. You can make them small, you can make them medium, you can make them big. But let's just get them diced up. Just the size of like mine right here, as you can see. Pretty medium size, medium to small size. So we're gonna continue to dice those up. We're gonna take our bell pepper tops. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna cut those. We're gonna dice them up. So just cut them in little strips right here, as you can see. I'm gonna turn it to the side and get some dice out of it. There we go. I'm making these a little bit smaller because they're a little more tougher, take longer to cook, so they're a little bit smaller than the onions. But as you can see, I got all my bell pepper tops cut right here. I got my onions cut in our pot of boiling water. Let's go ahead and get our hollowed out bell peppers. Make sure you put some water in there to sink them. We need them to sit at the bottom. There we go. Get it in there. All right. Yeah. All right, we're gonna blanch those for about 5 minutes. Come back. They should be pliable. There you go. Just like this here. It should be pliable just like that. You don't want to overcook them because you're still going to put them in the oven. So we're going to get them out. Oh, look how pretty them bell peppers is. Now let's add some oil to our skillet. Then we're going to brown our meat. All righty. We're going to allow that to heat. Once it's heated, let's go ahead and add our onions and our chopped bell peppers. Let's get that in there. There we go. Get it all in there. Now saute them down for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we're just gonna make sure we saute them, get them good and tender. You want them tender, or if you want them crunchy, it's your world. You don't have to saute them that long, but this is what they're gonna look like after 3 or 4 minutes. They're nice, soft, and tender. Oh yeah. All right, go ahead and get our meat in here, our ground chuck. Let's get it in there. And we're just gonna mix the peppers and the onions as we break up the ground meat, as you can see. So let's go ahead and mix up our veggies and our ground meat. Mix it up till it starts to brown. We're gonna add us some lawry seasoning salt. I have the measurements in the description. Let's get some onion powder in there. Let's get some garlic powder in there. Get it all in there, baby. Let's get some oregano in there, dried oregano. Get that in there too. And some black pepper, baby. And we just gonna mix it on up. Just mix it up as you see here. Get all that seasoning well distributed throughout the ground meat. We're gonna taste for lightness. Let's see what we got. Okay, yeah. Go ahead and drain it. As it's draining, we're gonna come back. We're gonna check our rice. And about that time, if you put it all on at the right time, your rice is gonna be ready. Rice is ready. Let's get our ground meat. mixture back into our pan. Let's add us some fire roasted diced canned tomatoes with the juice drained. Make sure you get the juice out of there. You don't want it soupy. There we go. Just mix up your fire roasted tomatoes in it. Now we're going to add us about a cup of rice. You can use more if you like. You can use less if you like. But I figured a cup is pretty good. It usually distributes pretty evenly. So it works for me. Use as much as you like. So we're just going to continue to mix it up. Get this rice well incorporated. Just get everything blended, everything mixed up. All right, now that we have everything mixed in, let's go ahead and add us some freshly shredded pepper jack cheese. Let's get that in there. Oh yeah. I like pepper jack with mine. You can use Kobe, you can use cheddar. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. It's your world, it's your dish. Once it's mixed in, that's how it looks. Now let's stuff our bell peppers, baby. Pepper stuff. Let's top it off with some cheese. I got 2 of them. I'm making provolone. I like provolone and I like pepper jack. So you see how it's working. I got 2 provolone and I got 2 pepper jack. Just like that right there. Get that cheese on there. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna throw it in the oven. Remember, we preheated our oven to 425. Throw it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Till your bell peppers are tender and your cheese are nice and bubbly, and it looks like this right here. Stuffed bell peppers, y'all. We're gonna top it off with some fresh parsley, and we're gonna hit it with some red pepper flakes. There it is. That's it. That's all. Stuffed bell peppers, y'all. Yeah, folk. Let's get this one that's open right here. Ooh, yeah, baby. Yeah. Get that cheese off of there. All right, that's it. Perfectly seasoned. Bell pepper is tender. The bell pepper with the mix. That's delicious, y'all. Most definitely delicious. That's it right here. All right, family. As always, if you're new to this channel and you like the video, you like the content, hit the subscribe button. If you're a regular of this channel, you know, hit the like button. Throw me a comment at the bottom. Share it with your people. Send it with your people. Share it with your people. Anyway, just do that for your boy. All right, family. That boy can cook. Out the place. Out your face. Till the next time, baby.